How to see liked posts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to see liked posts on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if not, please go to the App Store or your Google Play Store and search for Instagram and update the Instagram app if you have that update button. So again, make sure to update your app because the Instagram has a new feature when it comes to seeing the like posts. So once you have updated your Instagram app, what you're going to do now is to simply open it and then click on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen and then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen. So the older version of Instagram is what you're going to do is to go to settings and then you need to type in manage likes and then click on manage likes. So that is the older version of Instagram. However, on the newer version, there is an easier way. So again, click on the three lines and then click on your activity right here. So um, once you have clicked on your activity, what you're going to do is to click on interactions right here. Then simply click on likes and then wait for it to load. And then right here, you may be able to see the list of the posts that you have liked. So you may check on your liked post, and then let's say, for example, you want to unlike it, simply unlike it. Then you may also select and choose multiple posts, and you may unlike them one at a time or multiple times. So that's it. That's how you can see like posts on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.